I'm Cameron, I'm CSG's resident foreman, and I'm going to show you how to terminate an RJ45. So you're going to start with a piece of cable, your scissors, strip off the slide jacket. Make sure you get your small string in this area. Pull your blue out the way. And we're going to go ahead and spread out our lines right here. Go ahead and straighten, bend them out, get them in a nice little rainbow. Then we're going to trim off that extra. Now, seat it inside your handy crimp tool. And then, you measure. That's for functionality. And now, my friends, is how you terminate an RJ45.